Hi guys, how you doing? Hope everything's okay. Hope you're feeling fine, and I hope life's treating you good. I'm not cut out for this YouTube stuff, and the reason why I'm not cut out for this YouTube stuff is I've already done this video again. Just like a couple of my other videos where you'll hear me say that I've done it like once or twice already, and that something's happened and I'm having to do it this way. Just like, let me tell you, there's an app available from the App Store called VideoCam or iCam. Whatever you do, don't download it. The thing I don't like about iPad's videos is that you can't pause it, and all of my videos are done using the VideoCam app from the App Store, because you can pause. And then I can pause it and say, right, we'll come back in 10 minutes, yeah? And I can carry on. I can't do that for this one. So I have to give you a whole one. That app recently has been playing up in that you don't know. You'll do the video, the whole video, you'll get to the end, and then you'll play it back. And as you play it back, it'll get to a certain point, all of a sudden it go, then all of a sudden that's that jump, then all of a sudden I go off. And you'll hear my voice saying something to my lips moving, and it goes out of sync. Complete waste of time. I've just done a 22-minute video showing you how to make biscuits. Completely 22 minutes, absolutely waste of time. That's it, I've done it, look. This is the second set, because the first set are already in the box there, look. I can't do it so it'll slide off. Look, I've already done them. I'm absolutely gutted because I showed you how to do it. So we're going to have to run through it very, very quickly. If you guys want me to show you how to do it, then tell me, and we'll get together and I'll show you how to do it, okay? Alright, anyway, pay attention because this is what you're going to need. Okay, this is a basic, ordinary recipe for biscuits. Homemade, ordinary, plain biscuits. Nothing more, nothing less. You're going to need the following. 100. 100. What film's that from? And you go to 100, Baba. What film's that from? Anybody that knows what film that's from, leave a comment. Alright, okay, anyway. 100 grams of butter. Now I normally use the cooking stuff that you can get, you know, the bakery stuff, the Margie kind of stuff, or I can use the Utley Butterly and all that. Forget all that. Okay, I use proper butter. Country Life. Look. Country Life. Best butter on the market, without a doubt. Forget your Anchor, you know, forget your Le Bag, forget all that. Country Life. Guys, whoever makes this, don't know who makes this. Don't know who makes it, but let me tell you, Country Life, best butter on the market, hands down. You know, I've just done another plug in Country Life and I don't even get no money for it. Okay, alright, 100 grams Country Life butter, yeah? Done. 50 grams caster sugar, okay? Grab a bowl, put a bowl down now, put your 100 grams of butter in. Don't make no difference whether it's hot, cold, left, right, up, down, in and out, okay? If you want to sticky, gooey, snap slowly like my other videos for the cookies, then you use melted butter. These we want nice and dry, nice and crispy. So cold butter or hard butter, room temperature butter, I don't care. Alright, just use butter, right? Yeah? Cool. Bowl, 100 grams of butter, 50 grams of caster sugar, straight in the bowl. I've just shown you all this, I'm so sorry. We could make believe, yeah, let's make believe. Let's be bowl. Look, I've done it all. Look, there's a bits left in the bowl. Okay. Are you ready, children? Okay. Bowl. 50 grams of caster sugar. 100 grams of butter. Straight in that bowl. Wooden spoon. You didn't see it. I actually snapped the other ones. It was on the video. Gutted. We had a right laugh, I tell you. We'd have had a right giggle, me and you. But, say goodbye to that video. So, 100 grams of butter. 50 grams of caster sugar. In there. Wooden spoon. Bowl. Get ready. In another bowl, 175 grams of plain flour. Okay, now if you want a teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of soda, if you want to do it, it's up to you. This is my version. Okay, so let's not have any, oh, that's not how you do this, not how you do it, that's not how you make, does it? This is my version, this is how I do it. You don't have to do it how I do it, do you? Anyway, 175 grams, plain flour. I put just a dash baking powder in. All it does is give it a little bit of air, that's about it. But anyway, we don't want this to rise too much because they're biscuits. Alright, okay. Put that to the side. All you're going to need after that, vanilla essence. Okay, I've got Madagascan vanilla extract, yar, which is this stuff. Vanilla essence, I don't give a damn. Right? See, I can put it up to the camera so you know what it is. Madagascan vanilla extract. Nice stuff though. Okay? Plain flour. Caster sugar. Butter I've already showed you. There's it. Okay, now, what we want is we want a dough, but we want a dry dough. We want a dough that actually, look, we want a dough, let me see if I can show you this. We want a dough that's actually really dry. We want a dough, this is a bit I've got left in the pot. Let me see if I can show you. Look, we want it, basically, look, like it crumbles. Look, literally like a load of crumble, okay? But if you grab hold of that and push it all together, like that, and flatten it like you would a biscuit, take it off my hand, there you go, nice, flat, and then you cook that. Lovely. Alright, that's the mix. Because what I did was the following. I got another bowl. I creamed the butter and the sugar together to get you that nice yellowy gritty bit, okay? And then I just grabbed hold of the flour and put the flour straight in. Folded it all over until I got the dry, crumbly, semi-doughy mix, but it was a little dry. So what I did was I just gave it a dash of cold water under the tap, which allowed it to 99% come together, okay? Still getting a little bit of bits breaking off here and now. I then grabbed hold of my worktop, which is you're on it at a different angle in my kitchen there, so I grabbed hold of my worktop. I sprinkled a little bit of plain flour on my worktop. Let me show you what I mean, look, because if I drop you all the way down here, there's my worktop. So you know where I am, you're normally here. That's all I've done, just turned you sideways a little bit. Okay, so, oh, bleeding hold up close tonight. Right there. A bit of a munter up close tonight. Right, anyway, done. Alright, so, flour over the top, yeah? Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Grab hold of your dough ball, out like that, and roll it out. It doesn't make a difference what shape it is, what size it is. But what does make a difference is the thickness. And you basically want it the thickness of what people say is a pound coin. Have you seen a pound coin? I want a biscuit I can taste, mate. You know what I mean? I want a biscuit I can dunk. Don't you just hate it when you grab hold of a rich tea finger? To save it happening, you put 2 rich tea fingers together. Even 3 if you're greedy. Yeah? But it still don't work, does it? Because you grab hold of rich tea fingers, you put them in your thing, you dunk them in your tea, just as you get. That's it. Plonk, straight in your tea, done it? Yeah, straight in your tea, or plonk, straight on the table, plonk, straight on the floor. Just as you get it, you dunk your rich tea fingers in. Just as you go. Just as you. Why? Because they're too thin. Because they're too thin. That's why. Oh, like a thick biscuit, but not too thick. Okay, so messing around now. Roll it about. Get yourself whatever you want. Now, I already made biscuits the other day, which is why I've shown you all this on the other video that I've had to delete. It's gutted. This is my famous cake pop. Now, I did these biscuits at home for the kids the other day. I'm always making biscuits. Kids are always noshing them. I'm always noshing them. Biscuit fan. Okay, I did all different kinds. And this is the recipe, same recipe I'll give you here. There was only one difference. I put an egg in the other day, and they came out like they've got kind of this biscuity cake kind of taste, which is absolutely delicious anyway, but not what I wanted. So this time today's is an ordinary basic biscuit recipe with no eggs. You can put 1 egg in, 2 eggs in. You can put 184 if you want. It's entirely up to you, but you know, just like baking powder, baking soda. Put them in. Don't put them in. It's up to you. A basic ordinary biscuit recipe: 100 grams butter, 50 grams of caster sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla essence, 175 grams plain flour. That's it. That's all a biscuit is. These ones here. First one. This is a nice picture on here, isn't it? It's lovely. Be careful. Back beast, back fiend of the night back. I've got to be careful, getting too close to the camera, I'll end up scaring the life out of you. But anyway, that's the first one. That's one I made the other day. Try to do a famous cookie. Yeah, that one. Then I made one. Kids have scoffed them all. I've got one left here which I've had to save to show you guys before the kids get in later on and scoff this one. But I did actually make about half a dozen of these. Hundreds of thousands one. Ready? Oh my god, look at that. Come on kids, grab hold of your mum. Say, mum, quick, we want to go and make Mark's biscuits. Mark's hundreds of thousands quicky cakes and biscuits, and call them what you like. I don't care what you call them, but they're lovely. Yeah, look at that one. Oh, I'm dribbling. These ones are delicious. That one. And then what I did was I got out me cutter set that I got for Christmas, which has all different shapes and sizes in it. So then I flattened it out to probably that thickness. And then I made shapes. There's a butterfly. Don't even ask me. Butterfly. Just at the back there. See? Plain ordinary cakes. There's a bird. It's like a bird on it. It's like a rabbit, isn't it? There's a cloud. Look, absolutely gorgeous. I was going to go at, but I don't want to eat it because I want to leave it for the kids. And then you've seen the ones I've already showed you. They're the ones I did the other day. This recipe I've done today for the video that actually mucked up. I've actually made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I've made 18, but I think I've eaten one as well. So about 19 biscuits from this mix I've given you here. That's actually pretty good really when you think about it, okay? Okay, so what I did was I grabbed hold of this cookie cutter, which is a 2 5/8. Yeah, 2 5/8 inch or 68 millimeters. That's what it's got on the side. Just an ordinary plain biscuit cookie cutter, call it what you like. I rolled it out to about a little bit thicker than a pound coin. That thick. About that thick. Okay? Rolled it out to about the size of a pound coin. Don't make no difference what size, what length, and then cut down to the bottom, turn slightly. Take it off, cookie cutter, down, all the way to the bottom till you feel your worktop, turn ever so slightly. So that when you come along and you remove all of the outside, it leaves all the shapes behind. Grab hold of the shapes, put the shapes on a grease-proof piece of paper, put that paper on a baking tray, and put them in the oven. People say gas mark 2 for biscuits. Gas mark 2? Where'd you get that from? Gas mark 2? Gas mark 2? Gas mark 2 won't cook my bottom, okay? Gas mark 6. If you want to slow cook a biscuit, it's going to end up like a sticky cookie. Go and see me on a recipe for that. Sticky cookies. These have got to be biscuits. They've got to be biscuits. You go over digestive or a rich tea or a custard cream or a shortcake and then tap it on the side of something. It makes a noise. It's not soft, it's hard, breakable. Yeah, not crunch. That's what these are. Light, crispy and crunchy. Cooked them for about 10 minutes, gas mark 6, they come out and they come out beautiful. These are the ones I cooked earlier on for you with the video, very funny, alright? Now all I've done is take them out. As soon as they come out, give them a very light sprinkle of caster sugar and then left them to cool. These were the first lot. There you go. But watch it, the sugar will come off, see? And because I put the caster sugar on when they were hot, look, none of the caster sugar's coming off because it's actually melted to the biscuit. But there you go. Those were the biscuits I made earlier. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful. Freshly cooked, homemade biscuits. And with this particular one, you see that me? Oh, Mark, there's 2 of those. Yeah. And if you just barely move it ever so slightly, I just twist the top, and you'll see exactly what I've done. Yeah. What I did was one of these strawberry jam. Put those together, give it a little turn so it's in line with each other. And there you have one homemade Jammy Dodger. Okay, so that's that one. The second set today that I've just cooked about 20 minutes ago, I played around with. I made them all different shapes and sizes. I put little holes in them, little patterns on them. 2 of them I put chocolate sprinkles on, and then the other 3 are 5. I put different amounts of hundreds and thousands, and they're the ones I showed you just now. So let me put these guys back in here, and I'll show you the ones that we've just cooked. I've already shown you in the other video. So we'll put them there. I'm going to need that in a minute to put those ones away. Okay, those were the first set. I took those out, and then I'll put these guys in. These guys have now been cooked 10 minutes, gas mark 6, absolutely beautiful. They're out, and I've put them on a cooling rack. Okay, so let me show you what we did for our homemade biscuits. I put just a little, I haven't put any caster sugar on these because these have got bits, so I put a little sprinkle, hundreds of thousands on that one. I put a bit more sprinkles on this one. Look at that, beautiful biscuit, look at that, beautiful. That's a biscuit. That's the noise you want to hear. When you want to snap, that's what you want to snap. That's a good biscuit. Okay, next one I've done, just messed around with the shape, put loads and loads of fork holes in it. Can't really see because the light from the window is playing with the camera. Here you go, look, just an ordinary biscuit. Absolutely beautiful. And then these ones, chocolate sprinkles. Yum. Oh yeah, look at that one. Chocolate sprinkles. Yum. And then the last one I did was just put fork marks in it. Just to, you know, just give it a little bit of a decent, funny kind of feel. But again, that's a biscuit. Now what I'm going to do in a minute is I'm going to make a nice hot cup of tea. And then I'm going to sit down and I'm going to have a hot cup of tea and a couple of biscuits, and I'm going to dunk these couple of biscuits in my hot cup of tea and enjoy it. Yes? Okay. So that's it, guys. Bit screwy loose, isn't I? That's about it. I'm gutted because I can't show you, because well, I can show you and I've already showed you. It's just that it kind of mucked up like it normally does, so I'm sorry about that. Alright, that's it. What else can I say? 17 minutes already. I'm not going to take up any more of your time. I've told you how to do it. If you guys need any help, you live close by, I'll come around and cook them for you. I bet still come around here and I'll cook them for you here. You know what I mean? We'll have a cup of tea, we'll have a tin wag, we'll have a gossip, you know what I mean? Yeah. If you need any help, you need to know anything, leave a comment, send me a message, or just go, "Oi, Mark," in the street, and I'll turn around and I'll go, "What?" And you will go, "Can you book me?" And I will go, "Sure." Alright, anyway, listen. A bit of screw loose, something like that. Alright, so, showing you how to do them. Guys need anything, let me know. Again, thanks for taking up 18 minutes of your time listening to me. I did show you things that are really, really good. If you cook these, you'll find out they're really, really nice. They're really, really nice, honestly. But that's it. Trying to keep it kid friendly. Kids, get your mum and dads to make these. They're lovely. They're so quick. 10 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes to cool. Less than 30 minutes. You're going to have a packet of biscuits, homemade. Do whatever you want. Kids love it. Sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles, hundreds of thousands, butter, flour, all over the place. Kids love it. Can't be any better, can it? Alright, so that's it for today. Take care. All the best. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Alright? See you later, guys.